Okay, so as you can see, we've got the doors that were put up. Now they will be taking them back down to stain them. But we got the knotty pine doors with the arch top in place here. And then here is our hickory cabinets. And we wanted the most knots that you can get, and we got them. Now, there's a little bit of an issue with this one. This door won't close all the way because the plumber put that in the middle and it needs to go to the left. But the builder says it should not be an issue to come in and move that a little bit. But otherwise, that's gorgeous. And the hardware we found at Menards. Love Menards. This is the bathroom downstairs. So here is the laundry room door. And we just went with some simple cabinets above where the washer and dryer is going to be. Again, look at that character. Very, very happy with these. Doors in the guest bedroom. Going into the bathroom here. And here's the vanity cabinetry for the guest bath. And we have a nice soft close. Nice detail on the side here. Like this. And here is our bathroom. We're going to have 2 sinks in ours. And last but not least, the kitchen. So the cardboard is a template for, we want to put a table down. We're just not sure if it's going to make things too cramped or not, but we think it'll work. We'll see. So, above the refrigerator, above the microwave, the stove, door for the pantry. We got uppers that are going over the sink area. And we got this wonderful farmhouse sink. So excited for that. So cool. And then the dishwasher will go there. And then this is going to be right in here, seating for some bar stools. And you can see the detail down here on the legs. It would be easier to see over here. Almost looks like a piece of furniture. But so neat. So excited.